Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and in today's film we're flying the drone over Old Town and the Moutallos Cliffs area. In front of us at the moment we're looking at Avli Tis Nefelis, which is a very nice coffee shop with a lovely garden you can wander around in. It's at the bottom of the picture, which you can see at the moment. And above that, if you're wondering where it is where the old bus station in Old Town used to be, and it's now just a car park. And then the top left of that is one of the Paphos cat ladies' feeding stations. And you'll be able to see the Ottoman baths at the front of Old Town coming into picture soon, followed by Cafe Nero. And there are down at the bottom there you can see those like cracks. They are little canyons that formed when they had the rains in December. It just shows you, if you look at them closely, how devastating all the rain was for some parts. But we're now flying over, slap bang in the centre on a slant. That colourful wall is the what's it called, Chernobyl bar mural. It's very nice. And we're going to be coming back towards the restaurants in front of Old Town. It doesn't look like it looks fairly generic at the moment because you're just looking at rooftops, but here we are. You can see the restaurants, and there's Old Town Market to the left. And if you get asked for a bus or a taxi to Old Town, you'll probably get dropped off just up there because there's a big taxi rank, and the bus stops there as well. Now, Old Town Market is going through a bit of a change at the moment because it used to be completely covered, and then part of it, because the building in front of you can see is a covered part of Old Town Market still, but there are a number of streets which were covered and formed a greater part of the market, and they took the roofs off a while ago, but they're going to be putting them back on. Right, what you can see there is Moutallos Mosque. We'll have a better look at it now. Because before the invasion of 1974, there were a lot of Turkish Cypriots in Paphos, especially in the Moutallos area, which is why there's a mosque here. I don't think it's in use anymore, but they look after it, which is nice. And some of the houses around here look very much abandoned, and that's because they're owned by Turkish Cypriots, and they're obviously having problems deciding who gets money for them or what. I don't know, it's all too complicated for me, above my pay grade. This is Ibrahim's Khan from above. There's a stage area, and on the right you can see where the awnings are, and beyond that pink building is Stephanie Rose, which is a very nice cake and cookie place. If you like Instagram selfies, that's a good place to go. Now we're flying back over the Old Town Market. These streets here used to be covered, and they will be again in the future. You can see there's a bit cordoned off there. I should stress that when I filmed this, the market wasn't on, which is why these roads look very bare. When the market's on, there'll be lots of stalls out. And we'll just fly over them. And there's the covered bit of the indoor market, that grey square. Now we're zooming back out again. There's the Ottoman baths on the right and Cafe Nero, and all the restaurants again. Now I have to be careful that I don't look right when I'm flying a drone, because otherwise it'll be straight into the sun and the picture will deteriorate. As you can see, it's a bit misty here already. That's why, it's because of its angle in relation to the sun. So I'm bringing the camera around now because I want to go and have a look at Moutallos Cliffs. Right at the top of the page, going from left to right, you can just see the top of Aphrodite's Children mural as it zooms past. And there's the main bus station, the new one, going past on the very top right as well. There's the mosque again, and we're coming round west of central Paphos. This is now Moutallos area. And there's this cliff. The cliff actually runs pretty much all the way up to Uostakipu. Though parts of it have been built over. But there's a nice cafe here now. It's called Cliff Social, what you can see there. And that's very popular with the locals. And there's a school behind it, and they just had a new stadium built behind it. Now, also by Cliff Social, there's this lovely little chapel, which I'm going to have a quick look at. It's well worth parking up and having a walk around here. And I'm pleased to say, because I did a little film, a walking tour of this area a little while ago, and I commented how messy it was just there where those benches are. It was terrible, there's rubbish everywhere. Since then, as you just look, it's all been cleared up. And it's very nice now. So whoever did the clearing up, well done to them. There's a bit of reinforcements going on to the cliff there. And we're going to finish by panning back to a look at the Moutallos Mosque again. But that's Old Town from above. Hope you enjoyed that.